Hi everyone, this is an FPA electronics tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you the various tools most commonly used when doing electronics. Firstly, I'd like to show you this tool. It's a wire stripper and a wire cutter. These ones aren't particularly all that good. I tend to prefer to use the straight ones like this because they have a lot of multi-functions as well, including crimper, or wire stripper, crimper, and another commonly used crimper. Another important tool is your small clippers. They're mostly used when you're mounting resistors or other different electronic components on PC boards. Another very useful tool is your needle nose pliers. They'll be your best friend during electronics because they're great for reaching into places, grabbing out small little things, and cutting things as well. Most important tool in doing electronics is your soldering iron. As everyone would know, you use solder to join componentry and use on PC boards. Once you do electronics, you may find that you just have a whole bunch of wires and switches and just a big mess. When you do have that, we tend to use zippy boxes, or otherwise known at some places as jiffy boxes. Not much of a big difference. This particular model here is mostly used for items that get quite hot because it's made of a metal and has vents on the side, as you can see. They're very easy to wire up. You just get yourself some screws, put them in the holes right there. If you want to mount it to the ground, you've got holes in the bottom there. In other cases where it's not necessarily going to get hot, you have your standard ABS plastic zippy boxes or jiffy boxes. These ones that come in a variety of different colours and shapes and sizes. These are just the small ones. This one's blue, so if you want to put an LED in there or something just to make it light up, that's your choice, whatever you want to do. These black ones, just the same as all the others, used for other different things you want to do. As you can see, this one's had a hole in it because we're just going to be doing something else with that later. Another good thing to use when you're doing electronics is cable tie. So usually keep all your wires and just your work generally a bit more tidy. Another important thing, solder. Obviously, you've got to use it with your soldering iron. Your resistors. You can't usually, on most occasions, just get a battery pack and your LED and wire it up because you'll probably blow it or it just gets hot and it's dangerous. You can use resistors in any type of work, whatever you're powering, motor, LED, whatever. They're very easy to wire just on the positive terminal or negative, either way. And if you're not sure what resistor to get, just go to your local electronics store, ask them what you're going to be doing, and they'll pretty much tell you. There is a chart that you can get that will tell you how to convert the coloured lines on a resistor, to the resistance level. Apart from that, they're a good tool to have, or not really a tool, but a good component to just have lying around. Here we have some LEDs. LEDs come in a variety of colours and sizes. They usually go from 3mm, 5mm and 10mm, which is otherwise known as 1 centimetre. You can buy holders for them. These ones are 5mm LED holders. So we would usually put these in a jiffy box or a zippy box, put the LED through it like this, and it just makes it generally look a lot better and a lot easier to use. Apart from that, there's not many other tools that you really need to do when using electronics. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial and have fun doing your electronics.